2016 Toyota Camry. The trunk cable is giving me issues. I'm going to show you what's up. So this cable, when you go to pull it and release your trunk, if you look right here, you see that cable right there? That's my trunk cable. It's kinked and it's bent. So when you pull this lever up, this cable is supposed to pull towards the engine, and when you put the lever down, the cable's supposed to push back on the trunk release actuator. So here it is. This is with it pulled back, and then when I let the lever go up front, it's supposed to push this back forward, so then this hood can close and lock. So I'm gonna be replacing the cable because I messed with it for a while. I couldn't get the kink to not be like that. So I'm gonna take the seat out. These connectors got to come out. The airbag, the yellow one, is the only one. Well, be careful with all three, but you know, the airbag especially. Disconnect the battery, so you could disconnect the airbag. Once the cables are out and you get your chair out, you'll be able to get this cable out. It runs all across the side of the vehicle, and then this panel, this little guy comes out. You lift it up and out, and then this will come off. And then the cable just runs all up the side back into the trunk. It looks like a big deal. It's not too bad. It just takes a little bit time, and then it just runs up here and then up to the actuator. Here's my part number for my new cable. I'll try to link it in the description. And so yeah, my seat came out. I disconnected these. This one is kind of weird. You gotta be patient with the yellow one. It's like a sleeve connector. The chair, took it out. It was 14mm bolts, 4 of them. Now the cable runs underneath that little pillar in there, so got this off as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and disconnect this. I'm fully aware that this video is going super fast and I'm not showing you how to do a lot of stuff, but this is kind of just like a quick video just to show you what kind of work you'll be getting into. So see that little pillar down there? The cable goes underneath that. Along the cable will be these red pieces of tape. You got to cut them because they're taped to the fuel door cable. So be careful not to cut the fuel door cable, and just cut the red tape so you can get yours off. You can leave this one in there. This is what I'm talking about. You'll just have to find spots that it's taped and you cut it, so then you'll be able to get your cable off, like right there. Alright, so I got my seat out, I got some panels off, and then what I did first is I ran the cable through here and I connected it onto my hood release lever, and then now you can see how it sits in there. It's like perfect. It's not like kinked and sticking out. And then just run the other part of the cable underneath. I went ahead and I tightened this down right here, and then I just kind of took the journey and ran the cable along the side of the vehicle. The seat belt had to be taken off as well, just the bottom belt part. And this runs up through here. It's pretty vital to try to get them into the guides, and then just get it back up into here and lock it in, and it should be good. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.